This is Larissa with Kintone Customer Success, and today I'm going to walk you through a couple of my favorite Kintone keyboard shortcuts. So these shortcuts are going to help you increase your productivity and speed while inside your app, so let's check out a few that are available. So from your app, you can access the shortcuts by clicking Shift and question mark, and then to close that out, you'll just click Shift and question mark again. So you'll start by clicking J and K. So that's going to let you go back and forth between those records in this record list view. We're going to click Enter to open up the record's details. We'll click E to edit the details, and then you can tab over the fields. When you're finished making your changes, go ahead and click Control S to save. And then we're going to click GI to go back to the previous views that we were in. And then again, you can start by going J and K again to go through those records. So now you know how to quickly navigate through an app without ever having to touch your mouse. Thanks for watching.